Hello and welcome to Model Rocket News. I'm Kira.
And I'm Jennifer.
We're going to go live to a special rocket launching.
Anybody timing?
No.
Your mouse? I don't.
Alright, here we go.
What's over there? Up here.
It laid on my head. I thought it was
That's good. Oh, I got you.
So what did you do?
no, wait, Kira, okay, come over here now. She's blocking the wind for me.
Alright, you guys ready? Here we go.
I'm gonna delete that. Holy crap.
He's got a head to moon!
Where did it go?
It's gone.
There it is!
We are now going to take messages from our viewers on the subject. Viewer 1 says, how are each of Newton's 3 laws of motion evident to the rocket launch?
Well, the first law of motion is that an object in motion will remain in motion and an object at rest will remain at rest until an opposing force acts otherwise. And the rocket was still until the rocket field propelled the rocket into the air using Newton's first law of motion. The second law says acceleration depends on the force and mass of an object. The greater the mass, the more force needs to be applied. Both of the rockets had the same amount of fuel, but the first one had less mass and went higher. Now, the third law is for every action, there is an equal reaction. The fuel came out of the bottom of the rocket, sending the rocket into the air.
Okay, now for the second message. It says, what was the average velocity and acceleration of the rocket at its altitude of 120 meters? Well, the average velocity is 21.78 meters per second, and the acceleration is 3.95 meters per second squared.
Thank you for watching Model Rocket News. Have a great day.